Arts Workfly.
Alright guys, I'm back with another one. You might hear noise in the background, but nevertheless, let's begin. So I have another TEMU package here. I have this here. I can use to cut and open the packages very easily. This is called a stencil knife. Oh yes, I forgot I'd ordered. Anyways, I got this here where I can put the oil in and just spray the pan. So it can be just a little bit of oil. Just a little bit of oil. Hopefully it works well and lasts long because it's glass. By the way, yes, it's glass. Alright, this is, I don't remember what you call it, but you know what it is. This one here is for painting. As you guys know, I like to paint. I can't wait to use this. I have so many ideas, so I can't wait to use this. By the way, I'm gonna open it on a different video. I'm just running through the packages real quickly and then head to do the grocery shopping. So I'm not gonna open it here. Alright, this, as you guys know already, I like butterflies and stuff. This one. Just stay tuned for the other videos, please, because I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. Alright, now this big package. Also bought some clothes for my children. I'm really hoping that it fits them well. Oh, this is to kind of keep the table a bit organized because I have a lot of cards. What is this? Oh, this one. Oh, okay. Alright, so this is a paintbrush holder. So I'll show you all the paintbrushes that I have. So I'm gonna store them in here instead of in my scanner bag. I just store my paintbrushes in a scanner bag, but now I'm trying to be more organized so I can get back into painting. And stay tuned for the organization video of how I store my paintbrushes and stuff. So this is the dress for my daughter. I'm gonna cut. No, you know what? I'm not gonna put her on video. I'll open this soon to just take a picture. So that's a dress. This is a pants for my son. It really looks long. This is, oh yes, this is a curtain. I'm gonna change the curtain that I have, and this is some dresses for my daughter. Her dresses are getting very short because she's getting very tall like her father, and as you guys know, I am very short and my daughter is at my shoulder, so she's very tall. This one is a sticker holder. It's a sticker holder or a tape holder. They're cheap. Yeah, so this one here is also a paintbrush holder because I have a lot of paintbrushes. I'm gonna show you the paintbrushes that I have. I have so many paintbrushes. That is why I really want to get back into painting, because I don't just buy them to put them down. I want to use them. This one here, right now most of the stuff that I have are stored inside a shoebox. So I want to change those out. Some of them, not all of them. I want to change those out and make it a bit more organized. So I have this right here, which I thought would have been a bit bigger, but it can work. It can work, but we will see. Stay tuned for our organization video to see if everything fits. Okay. This was very cheap on this one here. So I have when I have my classes, I would have to borrow my husband's charger to plug in the ring light to charge other things. my AirPods, etc. So I wanted something like this where I can just plug in everything one time. I don't know what is in this box, but I'll check later. This right here is to store my paints, and I can travel with them. Guys, I can't wait to show you guys the different video ideas and vlog videos that I have in mind. Not only vlog, but painting videos that I have in mind. So this is to keep my paints so I can travel with them neatly, without any problem, without any obstacles. So I bought this right here to store my acrylic paints or any other thing that I probably want to store in it, and it's easy to travel with. Can't wait to start doing those videos where I start painting again, because I really like painting. You guys know that already, don't have to tell you that. But yeah, so this is it. So what is going to happen now? So let's say I want to bring my paint brushes. I will put my paint brushes in here, roll it up like that, right? And it will be in here like that. And then I have the paints here, and I just close it up and I carry it like this. And I would have probably the canvas in here, because I have the smaller size canvas, and I'm gonna just wait for the video them now. Just wait for the video them. Yeah, so this is it. Oh, did I show you guys? Well, and stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna show you how I pack the paints in here. Alright, this is, I don't know. What is this? Oh Lord, oh, this is really cool. I don't know if this is the pencil. Oh, I don't know pencil. Oh, this, look. Dusty and smell new. Anyways, this is it. I have some, what do you call this again? Glue sticks. These are glue sticks. I'm running out of glue sticks. I have some more glue sticks here, and fortunately it comes with a glue gun. Now this one here was $5 for this. Everything else up $5. Yes. So I have some glue. So whenever I'm bringing my glue gun to school, I usually don't just throw it in a bag, in one of the market bags or anything. It's just all over the place. So now I have something can store them properly and keep them safe and protected. Yes, so that is it. This was very, hey, you can't get this again for $5. You know, get this again for $5. Probably when they're going to have a next sale, but I don't think it's going to go under $5. Trust me, not go under $5. The part here comes with this. Yeah, it came. This is a whole package thing. Look like them bend up this. Alright, this is a. Oh, okay, look. I bend them now. I bend them now. Okay. Alright, so this one here, guys, is bent. Very much bent, like them steps on it. And I don't know at what point, because the journey could have been long. But anyways, it's bent. This, you can't see it on camera, but it's bent in. Like this. Look at that. Look there. There should be like this. I'm not sure if it's too big for what I want, or it's a good size. I want to store some envelopes and some papers in there. Put it twist up, but I'm not even flat. Alright, so now for the box. Let's see what is inside. And I will not be doing any more ordering for now. So when all the videos are done with TEMU, I won't do any more videos with that. on sale about in the summertime, I guess. Alright, so these now. I'm gonna show you how I store my things that I want to put in here before I transfer them from out that into here. I thought this would have been a bit larger, but it's a good size, it's a nice size. So I'm gonna show you what I'm going to put in here. Stay tuned for those videos. Alright, so this is it to organize. I wanted a white one, but they didn't have any white one or if they had the white one is was much more expensive, and this was cheaper. So expensive meaning under $5. Yeah. And this one was cheaper, so I got this one. I need to delete some videos so I can get some more space, because most of the videos that I have on here is already edited and uploaded, so I can just delete them because they're already. What is for? What do I buy this for? What is? Alright, so this is a bag, I guess. What's this for? I don't remember what I bought this for, but I'm sure it's important. I think it was to store my pencil crayons. Oh, this. Oh, it look expensive, sir. Alright. So whenever I'm doing my video, I usually do to prevent the table from getting messed up or scratched or something like that is to put cartridge paper on it. But over time the cartridge paper torn, mess up, all sorts of something like the cartridge paper, and I have to change the cartridge paper, buy the cartridge paper, or if I don't use the cartridge paper I would have to be scrubbing the table. So this now I would put over the table. I will put over the table to prevent it from getting messed up, and even so, even if you get messed up, I can easily erase it off. So rather than buying cartridge paper and wasting time scrubbing and stuff like that and all sorts of things, I have this here. I have a lot of blue on my table right now, but I think I'm gonna spray paint everything white at one point, but we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure as if, but I would like everything to be white. The reason why I would want everything white is because the white would pick up much more on camera. So when the light is shining on my face, it's just bright and clear. The background would be white and clear and nice. So the white is best for the videos. White background is best for the videos, especially for my skin tone. So if I'm using my table as the background would not overpower my face. So it would be just white and clean and clear. So that's why I would want everything white, so it's easier on the eyes on the video. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, well, it's gonna be less editing for this vlog. So I think they don't get it, don't get it. Alright, so it's 24 minutes in. Let's see if we can do this quick. So this one now, when I bought this, I was looking for the specific one that I had on my table already. The exact one that is on my desk. I saw it there, I said, watch out. So they seem like they ran out and then they're back in stock. But I'm just gonna use this for the time being. Not bother. So yes, I have that for more storage. And by the way, the one that I have on my table, I didn't buy it on TEMU. It was locally. I bought that locally. So I was saying probably they don't sell the exact kind, but they did, and I had a feeling that they did, but I just didn't want to wait because I just wanted to collect the packages one time and done. Alright, so this is it again. This is another one. So it's going to be like this. Hopefully it can hold. As I said, stay tuned for the organization videos, you'll see what I do with this. I think I want to spray paint it white, but I'm not sure as yet. We'll see. Alright, this one here, it should be the main thing that I want. The main thing. So the main things that I really wanted was my children's clothing and this storage thingy in this box here. But so far I'm glad for the paintbrush holder, because I was really getting annoyed of my paintbrushes, because I lend my paintbrushes to students. So when I'm looking for a specific brush they can use to paint their work, I have to be digging, and it was getting so annoying. So I'm glad for the paintbrush holders now. Alright, so this is what I bought. I don't know if you can see what it is, but that is it. Yeah. Alright, so let me just take out one, because really and truly I don't have the time for the foolishness. Yeah. So this is it. Just picture it like this, and then one is going to be on top. Let me just alright, picture it now, something like that. But I think I want to spray paint them white. But I'm gonna do one first, and if the one doesn't work, then I will not be doing the others. And it comes like this. It's like this, and you have the pieces to connect right there. We see how that organized well on my table. I'm not sure, but we see how that work. We see how that work. Me no know. Yeah, so it's like that. It's like that. So most of it is for organizing and my painting. I'm gonna get back into painting soon, guys. Just wait a minute. Just wait a minute. Anyway, so these are the dresses that I got for my daughter. It was 8 years and up. 29 minutes in. Oh, it look like you fit her. But the neck part look big. The neck part look big, so look there. I'm gonna let you guys know if it can fit her or not when she tries them on. But yeah, probably she's very slim but tall, so probably this part I would have to use one of those gathering things to catch up the back part, so you can look neat on her. So this is 8 to 9. And they look good and soft. Material soft and nice. Oh, material soft and nice. And you can probably wear it go church too. Yeah, you can probably wear the green one go church. Like it. Alright. Alright, this one can wear go church, but let me see how this one goes. Because the neck right here so look big. Oh, it came with a strap. But see here, I have a work dress like this. So now we be twinning. I'm wearing mine to work. She's probably gonna wear hers to church. Anyway, so this one here is for my son, a pants. All the clothes that I bought for my children fits well. And the waist look big. But if anything, you will grow into it. For the crotch is long. I'll do my best to insert the sizes below. But hopefully it can fit in, because you really needed a pants. But I will let you guys know if it can fit my children when I'm editing. I will probably insert and tell you whether or not they fit. Alright? So I'm now 31 minutes in, so I have to go, and I will see you in the next one. Alright. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.